Welcome back to another vlog. We're back at the airport and it's a travel day. And all day is pretty much gonna be a travel day. Where am I going? Ohio to defend my 10K title. So, I guess I'm just gonna break down how travel days work and maybe give some tips and recommendations for those of you that don't travel very often. So, I definitely recommend showing up an hour and a half to 2 hours early because you just never know how long the security line is gonna be. And if you're checking bags, you have to check bags at least 45 minutes prior to your flight time. Unless you're with Southwest and you know, they kind of just let you slide, but yeah, on with the rest of the day. So I definitely don't recommend being like me. I usually show up to my flights an hour before they leave for a few reasons. One, I have this pretty useful thing called Global Entry. It provides two main things. One, TSA pre-check. Get through security a lot faster. Don't have to take off your shoes, your jackets, or laptops, or electronics out of your bags. So that's really nice. Two, when I fly overseas, there's a separate customs line. So we get to skip the main line, all that stuff, get through super quick. It's only domestically though when we come back home. But really nice nonetheless. Like I said before, show up early for your flights. You just never know what's gonna happen. So for whatever reason, I like to get Starbucks when it's most expensive at the airport. But I take a lot of early flights and I just feel like caffeine could be a little useful. So I'm not a big coffee drinker, but if I'm at the airport, I'm probably getting Starbucks. Well, that was very unfortunate. My flight got delayed, so I was gonna miss my connection. So I am gonna be stuck in Vegas for another day. I'll be leaving tomorrow morning, super early. I'm gonna guess my flight gets in around 2 or 3 o'clock p.m. into Columbus, Ohio. So yeah, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Maybe we'll stream, maybe we'll go play golf. I don't know. Not the worst thing in the world though. I kind of rushed trying to get to Ohio anyways. I'm just gonna end up leaving when I probably should have. Everyone needs to have friends like Kylie. Kylie's a good friend. She picks me up from the airport when I'm stranded or when I need help. So we're gonna go get boba. And just like that, we're back home. I guess I'll give you guys a little recap on the day. Go to the airport in the morning, had a buddy drop me off, Dallas. Thank you, I appreciate you guys. Dallas and Kylie. Flight to Denver. Ended up leaving at the same time it was supposed to land. I had a 50-minute layover to catch my flight from Denver to Columbus, and yeah, apparently there was something wrong with the flap on the wing, and they, yeah, I got off that plane about 30 minutes after we pulled back into the jet bridge, so that's where we're at right now, back home. Gonna try again tomorrow morning. I did not realize that today was the day after a holiday, didn't even think about it, so that's probably why it was so hard to flight, and there's just a lot of things went wrong today, but it's okay. We have days like that, it happens. I got some food. I really don't have much else for you guys the rest of the day. Probably gonna play Valorant until my flight. I should probably sleep, but I'm probably gonna play Valorant until my flight tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Anyways, we'll be in Columbus tomorrow. We'll keep on vlogging, like I said, 1 vlog a day, or at least 1 upload a day. In June, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the sub button. Hit the sub button. Come on, get us going. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, let's try this again. Another day at the airport. Hopefully we can avoid a debacle like yesterday. We're connecting through IAD, Washington Dulles this time. So we have a 4.5-hour flight there. We land at about 6 o'clock. No, 4 o'clock, I'm sorry. And then the next flight's at 6. So we won't get into Ohio until about 7:30 p.m. tonight. So I guess you're just gonna hopefully enjoy this travel montage. See you in a few. Derek?
Yeah.
What's up?
What up, bro?
Yo.
How's it going? Long time no see.
Yeah. We're in Ohio. Let's go.
Puppies!
Oh, fight. Ah!
No.
Fight!
No.
Control your animals. Ah, she's giving up. One's giving up. I know this one's persistent.
Zoe, getting in position.
She's just gonna use her cuteness to try to overcome my walls to get to my food.
Yeah.
But it won't work.
She just got her fresh haircut today too. Clearly,
Maybe the curly fries.
as you can see, she has a new bow in her hair.
Bella didn't have the patience. She gave up. Young buck. Zoe, however, veteran. She knows if she stays here long enough, she might get something. Probably. Nope. Meanwhile, you're chasing a new career? I'm hearing?
I'm not chasing a new career. I am adding to my current arsenal of skills.
Which is?
Becoming a curated golf expert.
What? What does that entail?
Customers who come to curated.com that are searching for new golf equipment all get paired up with a golf expert, which is what I am at the tail end of the process of becoming. Today I have the second half of my final evaluation. So we'll see. Pro bowler becomes golfer. If I was pro golfer, I wouldn't need
Anything else?
anything else to make money.
Alright, good luck. I hope you get the job.
Me too.
Derek's pulling his first serious competitive tournament.
No, right?
Big boys. It's like a tour stop.
About time.
How are you feeling? Are you ready for this?
I'm not ready. I'm just gonna dive right in there and see what happens and do my best. Hopefully I come out on. Hopefully I come out green. If not, then I'm charging to the experience.
Take in the experience, live and learn.
Yeah.
See where you stack up against some of the best in the world.
Exactly.
All right. Well, cheers, boys.
Cheers to that.
The official drink of the Tang household.
Root beer. To a good weekend. Oh my God. We'll see you tomorrow.